Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. It's a binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. We have two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 5807. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be no. Alright. Okay. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Here also, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the 4th one. So that box should be an O then. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Well, we have here 3. Oh wait, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and 4th one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Time for comparing. Yes. Time for comparing. Well. Yeah. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3 completed columns. Can I do something with the columns? No. With the rows then. 1 completed row. Yeah. Alright, let me compare this row and that row. 0011, empty box, 1, 1, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright. I think we need to compare the rows. Let me see. 101. This one. The last one. Last row. And this row. Yeah. Alright. 1 1. 0 0 1 1. Empty box, 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And now, how about the columns then? 01, 01, 01. Do we have a 01, 01, 01 here? The 01, 01. Nope. How about this? Double one. Nope. So we need. No. Double O. Do we have a double O here? Nope. So it should be the rows. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? We have a 10, 10. This row and this row. Alright. 0011 empty box. 0011 0011 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Completed in 6 minutes. Yes, 6 minutes. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.